guys, welcome to a new video. In today's video we are doing a chrome delete on the Audi A4. If you like this type of content, please go ahead and like the video and subscribe. Alright, so for this install you need a chrome delete wrap, you need some knives, you need a microfiber cloth, some rubbing alcohol and a plastic trim tool. So let's get to doing the chrome delete on the Audi A4. Alright, first make sure that the area that you're wrapping is completely clean. We're going to do that by taking the microfiber cloth and some rubbing alcohol and clean this area. Once you've cleaned the area, take a piece of wrap and cut it to size. And make sure to cut a little bit extra so you don't cut too little. Go ahead and apply it to the trim. Now, as you guys can see, I will apply the bottom of the chrome delete. Also, I'm leaving like half a centimeter of wrap so I can stick it into the trim afterwards. Now that I have applied the chrome delete, I will take the trim tool and squeeze it into this trim. Also, I will use the heat gun to make it easier to push it in. Now that we have applied the wrap, we can see that we have some creases right here. And the only thing you have to do is go through this with a heat gun and they will go away. When wrapping the door, make sure to open the door and wrap the chrome bit that is inside of here so we don't have any chrome showing. Now we just push the wrap like this and apply some pressure to it so it sticks. And now it's the same process but from the inside. We use the trim tool and we just put it inside of here. Now it's time to cut the wrap. And when everything is done, all the cutting and squeeging and all of it, you just remove this plastic. It's all done. Now just repeat the process on the other door. Now that the chrome delete is finished on the doors, let's move on to this big corner piece right here. And this is often the one that is pretty difficult to make because it's very big and it has a lot of corners and bends and yeah, we don't want any creasing to happen. Alright, so the easiest way to do this corner is actually to do like this. And after that you just cut it like this. And that is the easiest way to do this corner. So yeah, let's go ahead and clean this. And then apply this little piece. And now I have already cut a big piece, as you see right here. And we are just going to do this all the way to the end. So yeah, let's do it. Alright you guys, there you have it. The first side is now complete and you just repeat it on the other side. Here's a comparison by the way. Alright, so the grill is next and we just repeat the process by cleaning, cutting to size and applying. Now sit back, relax and enjoy what you have done. Alright, it's the next day. As you can see by my morning hair, I'm going to tackle the other side. And there you have it guys, the Chrome Delete is done and it's a really simple mod that really does a lot for the car. So let's do a little bit of a before and after of the Chrome Delete. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye!